Hello, moneymakers. Last night I was scrolling through YouTube, and suddenly this video popped up. It was so good that I literally ended up binge-watching the creator's entire Instagram page. This guy is getting millions of views, making thousands of dollars, and even selling his own course about how to create these incredible AI-generated videos. So I decided to decode exactly how he's making this content, and as always, I'm sharing the entire method here on my channel absolutely free. Trust me, I spent an entire week working 16 hours a day, testing different methods, until I discovered the perfect blueprint to make these viral videos. Now, the reason these videos go viral and get millions of views is simple. They're suspenseful, exciting, and totally new. People keep watching because they're hooked on the suspense. Will the car crash or will the rock fall on it? This curiosity keeps viewers watching till the very end, skyrocketing the average view duration. And remember, YouTube's algorithm loves videos with high average view duration and will push your videos to even more viewers. So, let's remove all distractions, grab a cup of coffee, and watch this video carefully till the end. But wait. Before we start, I have some exciting news to share. This month our channel hit a massive milestone, 50,000 subscribers. As a big thank you to each of you, I'm offering lifetime access to my entire AI Maskman Academy, my exclusive course, coaching sessions, and community, for just a one-time payment of $149. Usually the cost is $49 per month, but for this special occasion, you can grab lifetime access and unlock all my resources to help you succeed. Alright, first we need to create high-quality, stunning visuals that look 100% realistic. And to generate the image, we need a perfect and detailed image prompt. Because if you just put any random prompt and try to generate an image, it won't give you a good result. Now the question is, where will we get such a prompt? So don't worry. When you have AI Maskman with you, why worry at all, right? To generate the prompt, we will use ChatGPT. And to make sure you don't have to put in too much effort or struggle to explain things to ChatGPT, your AI Maskman has already spent time and effort preparing a perfect prompt for you. You just need to join the Telegram channel from the link given below, and from there you will get access to the Google Doc. You simply have to open that Google Doc and copy the given prompt, then come back to ChatGPT and paste it. I have added all the details inside it, along with an example image prompt too, so that ChatGPT will clearly understand what kind of images you want to create. If even after that ChatGPT doesn't give you the exact prompt you need, then you have to take screenshots of all the images from the channel or Instagram page and paste them into ChatGPT. And then ChatGPT will give you a perfectly accurate prompt. You can also get it modified according to your ideas. For example, if there is a video that has gone very viral and you want to copy it, then you just need to take screenshots of the images from that video. And after uploading it to ChatGPT, you just have to say, "Give me a prompt for this image also." And boom, ChatGPT will give you the exact prompt. This way you can generate as many car crash image prompts as you want. Alright, now let's move to the next step. Wait. You already know how much your AI Maskman works for you, but still, you haven't liked or subscribed to my video. I am feeling very sad because of that. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video, so that I get more motivation to make such videos for you. Step 2. Turning those prompts into stunning images. For this, you can use any free image generator tool, like Leonardo AI or Pixelman AI. But after trying all the websites, I found that the results from Ideogram were the best. So let's use this one for now. But you can try different tools too. So let's open Ideogram. Here you get 10 free credits per day. Now you have to paste the prompt that ChatGPT generated for you. Then, from the ratio options, choose 9:16, and in the style options, select realistic. And hit generate. And in a few moments, it will generate your images for you. And look at these results. They look incredible. There is no blur, the resolution is high, and it's cinematic too. It's perfect. Now let's try with another prompt. So let's copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. And wow, that's super amazing, right? The color, the image, the car, everything looks stunning. So you just have to generate images like this using Ideogram AI. If you have any paid tool, you can try that too. Now, let's try using Leonardo and see what kind of results we get there. Open Leonardo. Choose Phoenix from the preset, choose 9:16, paste the prompt and hit generate. And here is the result. Nothing too special, but you can try tweaking the prompt a little and see if you get better results. But I suggest using Ideogram or some paid tools like Midjourney or any other. And this way, you have to download your images. And that's it. Our second step is completed. Alright, now let's move on to the next step. But wait. If you don't have time to create content and you have a budget and want to outsource all the work, then you can use my team for that. My team will handle everything for you, from niche selection to uploading the video. The same team that works for AI Maskman. If you want our done-for-you program, you can book a free call from the link given in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Step 3. Convert these images into stunning videos. For that, we will use Klong AI. When you sign in, you get some free credits. Now here you have to upload the images that you generated using Ideogram. And you have to use the same prompt that you used while generating the image. Or you can simply use a basic prompt like JCB crashing the car or anything related to your image. Then choose 10 seconds. And select Kling 1.6, otherwise all your credits will get used up in just one video. And that's it. Click Generate. And here's the result. That's amazing. If you want, you can also use Kling AI's Extend feature to make the video longer. This way, you have to convert your images into videos. Sometimes you might not get exactly the kind of result you want, so you should try giving a different prompt. Alright, now our video is ready, but to bring life into it, we will add sound effects. And by using sound effects, your video will look completely realistic. Sometimes, you won't find sound effects related to every video. So don't worry, you can also generate sound effects. You just have to come to ChatGPT and give this prompt. According to this prompt, make me a prompt so that I can generate sound effects with AI. Give me 5 sound effects prompts. And paste the image prompt that you are going to use in your video. And that's it. ChatGPT will generate sound effect prompts for you. Now, to generate sound effects, you can use 11 Labs AI, which you can use for free. Open 11 Labs and sign up, then select Sound Effects. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box here. And in a short time, 11 Labs will generate 4 sound effect audios for you. Download the ones that suit and you like. This way, you can generate sound effects related to each video. Apart from that, you can also find a lot of sound effects on Pixabay, like car crashing, crane lifting sounds, and many more. You can also find them on YouTube, so you can take from anywhere. Alright, now we have all the material ready. Now we just have to merge everything. Step 4. Editing. For editing, I will use the CapCut desktop app. You can use any editing tool you like. Open CapCut and first of all, import all the materials. Then add a text box on the top layer and write your channel name in it, which you want to keep as a watermark so that no one can reuse your video. After that, add the sound effects you generated. Place them exactly where they suit best. Make sure your video and sound effects are properly synced. You can also adjust the volume from the left side. In the Effects section, you can try different effects to improve the quality of your video. And that's it. Your viral car crashing video is ready. So guys, what are you waiting for? Create your channel today and start. I hope you all will succeed soon. This is how you can make viral car crashing videos using AI. Now, let's have a look at our demo video. Before watching the video, if you haven't subscribed or liked yet, please do it now. Now, enjoy the video.